welcome back to our new playthrough on Oberkirchheim. Oberkirchheim. I don't know how to say it. I'm sure I get it at some point. Yeah, so this is only the second episode. So last episode we kind of finished harvesting our little tiny field over there. I want to actually put some grass in there. So we already got our seeder hooked up to the vulture over here. I'm gonna just buy some seeds. Just wanted, I have like no money. Let's get $2,000. Okay, that way we're not spending every dime we have. Oh, this can take fertilizer too. I'm not... I think I'm fine for now. Alright. Maneuvering around this small area is going to be kind of interesting. Watch out, dog! It's fine. He's a magic dog. Or he's a dog that just isn't there? I don't know. Anyways, let's get this seeded real quick. What do we want? We want grass. Regular grass, not field grass. Alright. Since this is a direct drill, it should bring our... Oop, I'm missing a bit. This should bring up our environmental score a little bit too. Oh, I didn't put it back down. Or did I get it? No, maybe it was getting it. It just didn't change. Changed the look for some reason. Alright, I'm going to try to do this where I'm not just blatantly driving on some other fields. Because those will be our fields at some point, and I won't be able to do it then. Get that? Just like it. So, in terms of the plan for this series, in case you did not see the first video, we don't really have much of a plan. I mean, the goal is essentially just to find ways to make some money. I don't really have too many restrictions on this one. And I'm actually... Did I say I wasn't going to do contracts? Ooh, jeez. I think one of the ones was I wasn't going to do contracts. Just because, I mean, you know, we start with our own equipment, so we don't really need to do contracts to make money at the beginning. We kind of have stuff already, so... So my idea is to kind of use the grass, essentially use the animals to make our money at the beginning. With that soybean field that we bought, we're going to sell that off, sell the soybean, make some cash from that. I do have the extended straw on, so I'm going to use the straw from the soybeans for the cows. What else? One thing I did think about, let me just show you real quick. So just, you know, our farm is right here, just right over here is the biomass heating plant, but on this map it's viable, or viable, able to, yeah, English sometimes. So yeah, that's 40 grand, which I can't buy now, but I did check it out, and it actually allows you to, you know, you can put like straw here where wood chips, which I think is typically what it takes. But it actually gives you some money out, so it like produces the energy as it would, and gives you some money for it. So I think that'll be a nice cheap start to make some money, especially if we're doing crops that have a decent amount of straw, because we won't need all of it for the cows. I don't think they go through it that quickly. And I think we should be... Actually, I'm not sure if we're going to be okay on grain for the chickens. How many chickens do we have? We have... Okay, yeah, we have 300. It's full right now. I have just about, not quite 5,000 grains of wheat. So yeah, we're probably going to run out by the end of the year. But we can just buy some feed from the store and hope that it's okay. Eventually I would like to, you know, not have to buy the feed, but since we kind of started with the chickens, I could either sell some, I could sell some chickens off, but they really don't. They produce so much more money in the form of eggs than they do if you sell them off. So it's, to me, it's just not really worth it. Oh, crashing into my own tractors. Is this fertilizer? Water. Did I have a fertilizer? Maybe I don't have a fertilizer fill up. I think you guys have a little bit of straw, right? From the wheat field? Yeah. And it's going down. So I'm not sure why I don't have any manure. Interesting. So half the cows have straw and half don't. This must be one half. This must be the other. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's kind of confusing me where all the cows are. I might have to figure that out offline in between episodes, but anyways, for now, I left my tractor on. And actually, I don't think there's any fertilizer in here, but let me check. Oh, there is. I must have bought some last time. Or maybe we started with it. To be perfectly honest, it's been a little bit since I played the first episode, so forgetting exactly what I did and what I didn't do. Does that reach the whole thing? Nice. Alright, so get some fertilizer on this. So it's ready to go. Alright. I have all the equipment all ready to cut when that's ready. I think we are good for August. Yeah, let me try to back this in. Let's move this out of the way real quick. Actually, let's just hook it up to this, because that's what we'll be using. Oh, can't see. That's what we'll be using it here pretty soon. All right. And yeah, let's go to September. 8 o'clock's fine. So, don't need contracts. Is this not ready yet? Okay. Well, I don't really have any money to do anything or buy anything. Give my dog some food, though. There you go. Where you at? Breakfast time. Where you at? Where's my dog? That's fine. He'll find it. He's resourceful. Hey, look, some eggs. We have 117. I don't even know how old my chickens are. They are 1 month old. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Hello, chicken. Are you happy? Okay. Sat down. Hey, there she is. Or he is. There's no name. Do I check? I'm gonna go with she. There she is. Hey, I want to pet you. Cool. Yeah, there's really nothing I can think of to do. So, I guess we're going to another month. Without doing contracts, I feel like we're going to be skipping a lot of months, especially here at the beginning. Oh, please stop rain. Okay, cool. Flash rain. And it starts again. And it stopped again. I don't see any clouds. Maybe we'll be okay. Let me check. I want to see if it's ready. It is ready, and so is our grass, but we're not going to cut it yet. Ooh, what is field 3? Corn. We don't have a header for corn. All right. Let's get this baby fired up. Not really sure why I went around this way, but I did. Can I go through this tree? Yes, I can. Alright, so let's just kind of start right here. Make a perimeter. So at least this, I mean, we're in the negatives right now, but at least the soybean should get us a decent amount of money to kind of start out. That way we're not sitting too low in cash. And actually, probably not the best time now, so I'm going to save it up when it is time to sell. Yeah, middle of July. was not the most graceful turn. There's also this grass dryer back here. I'm not sure if I talked about this in the last episode or not, but you can put just straight grass in there and turn it into hay and silage. Pretty sure you can do both hay and silage. It just works like any other production. You pay a certain amount per month to have it go, but it makes silage a lot faster than just the typical 2 months that it takes normally. So that could be a potential option for us, maybe a money-making option if we want to go the silage route. I feel like that's kind of like the easy way to go. But we might do a little bit of it. I mean, obviously that's what if you've watched Bloomfield Canada at all, it's kind of the way I've been going on that. Using silage, make some money. But we'll see how it goes. See how much the chickens and the cows make for us. I do think I might have to buy something for carting the milk around. I don't think I have anything for that currently. Let's see if I could check. Let's check this real quick. And nothing really. Of course, there is this. It's pretty useful. I could potentially get that to do some lime. Let's just stop you for now. Let's check the store. I wanted to see. Yeah, I don't really have. Yeah, I don't have anything for liquid. So for like milk. Or even the slurry, I guess. Alright, we are coming up on the last few passes of this field. We got probably almost a trailer full. Not quite. I mean, this is the I had a full harvester, and I'm probably gonna be a little past half. So, yeah, not too bad. Probably somewhere around like 12, 13,000 liters of soybean. Which should get us it's a straight logger. What is that place? I am interested now. Don't know if I know where that is. Interesting. Huh. Look at all these. I haven't decided if I'm going to do those or not yet. There's another one over there. Yeah, that's interesting. I thought it might have been like a production point or something, but all right, last run. And we'll get all this straw picked up, and I was thinking a little bit about what makes the most sense in this field, and I think probably either wheat or barley. I usually end up going with barley. It probably doesn't make much of a difference, but technically, according to some testing that people have done, you get a little bit more barley than you do wheat. And for feeding the chickens, you know, every little bit helps. So I think that's probably the best bet for this. Get some barley off of it. So we have chicken feed from this field and the cow feed from the grass field. So we do need to make sure we get this planted this month though, because it's actually already the second month to plant. So we want to make sure we get it in. Let me just double check. Yeah. Yeah, it's the last time that we can plant wheat and barley. Otherwise, I think we would have to go with... Yeah, I don't know what you can feed chickens. I don't know if you can give them oat or not. I think it's only sorghum. Sorghum doesn't give straw, so I feel like it's not what we want. Alright, I think I just kind of leave this over here like it was before. Hold this up. I'm just going to park it right over here. Cool. Go drop this off. Got to check how much it was. 8,000, not too bad. Judging by the highest price available, that should get us about probably a little more than 30 grand, so should be pretty good. Go ahead and park this up. We got some eggs rolling in now. Right, let's use... No, let's just use the Valtra. Or save that other one for some like grass cutting or something. So we're gonna have to see what happens when we overfill the one spot. See if it, once it fills up, if it goes automatically into the other cow area. I'm not sure. This will probably take quite a few passes before I can pick it all up too, because this doesn't really hold too much straw. And it looks like we're getting a pretty good amount of straw off of here. I've only done small rows and I'm almost past halfway already. I think if I do have any left over, my thought is to just kind of pile it somewhere. Because I don't want to sell it. I kind of want to save it for when I can buy the power plant. And, you know, that way I have a little bit of straw ready to make some money off of it. All right, let's see where I can drop this. Okay, so it dropped, filled something up. Oh, we just had some brand new cows. Nice. Cool. Yeah, we have twice as many cows now. There's twice as many mouths to feed, but okay, so this one has no straw. This one is full. Is there any other straw trigger? Interesting. Because our manure heap is not filling at all. Yeah, like this group in here has straw. I'm not sure why. I'm not really sure what's happening. There's the trigger for that. I wouldn't think it's up here. Yeah, because that still says full on straw. There isn't like somewhere else that has cows, is there? No. Oh, that does say cowshed. Let me go check this out. I wonder if this is the other cows. Oh, geez, there's cows in here. Interesting. Okay, so this is where the other cows are. Okay. I think that's kind of weird because they're detached from our farm. I think, let's see. Okay, so I don't want to make money off of this because I don't feel like it's part of our farm. So here's what I'll do. Let me write down pen. Let's just remember 1688. I have negative $1688. So let's go into here. We are going to sell all of these. Okay, all sold. The food and stuff I'm not really going to worry too much about because I don't know if we buy it later. I mean, I can worry about it then. So that is that. I think the person who set this up might have done that just so you can kind of choose which farm you want to start at, or when you buy it, you know, it's kind of already figured out. But yeah, and then so now if I go into the cows, yeah, I mean the one is empty now. That's fine. So I just have my chickens and my cows that are on my farm. So go into this. Actually, how much do I have? 18. Gotta pull out my little calculator real quick. So 18,243 plus 1688. So I need to take away 19,931. And apparently it did $1 extra. Oh well. It's fine. Lost $1 on that. Cool. So that is fixed. So all this straw is extra. Where do I want to put it? I want to put it in a spot where it's somewhat easy to pick up again. Let's see, if I put it in there, I don't think it'll be easy. Let's try it anyways. Pretty sure I'm allowing myself to lease on this save, so I could always like lease like a bucket or something. Can I not just drop it in here? Okay, maybe not. I just kind of wanted to drop it there on the ground, but it won't let me do that. Alright, no big deal. I think I'm just going to sell it, actually. It's not going to give us too much money. But I don't know. You know what? We're actually over time a little bit, so I am going to think about what I want to do with this straw. And yeah, we'll see in the next episode what I decide and go from there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you join me again next time. Have a good one.